Hello everybody.
Hello.
My name is Mahnaz. It's been huge privilege for me to be here. I am immensely proud to be here in this day. We know very well that today we are going to have a debate on a very amazing, controversial, paramount, disputable topic, as well as this topic has been talk of the town, which is about reservation. So friends, before jumping into the actual topic of the reservation, let's understand what does reservation mean. Reservation is undertaken to remove the historical persecution, discrimination and injustice. The objective of reservation is to remove the discrimination from the country. Reservation system is not just a thing in India. Reservation system occurs in Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and William Hunter conceptualized the concept of reservation for India in 1882. Guys, I have mused over this topic and really it is hindering the growth of India. It has become hurdle, obstacle for Indian growth. It is harming India, not helping India. Even it has become one of contention, apple of discard for India. Why? Because it encourages casteism, it is short-term relief, it is social injustice, it is social unrest which happened at the time of Mandal Commission, as well as you can take the example of Manipur. It is opposing meritocracy, it creates more chances of creating more caste in the society. It is propagating the nation of caste-based society instead of eliminating it. It is resulting in degradation of quality of students, employees, in different fields if undeserved candidates get the opportunity.
Okay, should I? Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today I am here to do debate on a very amazing topic, splendid topic, which is regarding reservation. That reservation should be continued still or not? Reservation should be continued or not? Well, in my perception, that it should be continued. Why India need more reservation? I'll tell you. First, let me answer to her, as she said that there are lots of people who deserve and some are undeserved. Okay, I agree with you that people who are undeserved, they get the job, they get the admission, they go ahead. But the people who deserve, who has the more knowledge, who are eligible, but they don't get the job, they don't get the admission, this is a kind of a discrimination. Sister, let me clear one thing, that is discrimination, I agree, but in a positive way, not in negative way. Why? Because do you know about the SC and ST people, how much they are backward? They are this much backward, the exemption is given them, however they have lack of the basic needs, basic resources, and because of it they have challenge for it. And if I tell you about, according to the data, that 81 seats are empty in PhD and 16 seats are empty in IITs, and however the exemption is given to them, however it is big challenge for them. But the other people, they keep sitting at their home, they keep on saying that, oh, reservation should not be there, reservation should be abolished, take that, throw it into the dustbin. No yaar, it cannot happen. Because we need more reservation. The people, lots of people are there still who need reservation. Still 50% people, they belong to the ST, and 18% they belong to the SC, and they are more backward. They don't have basic resources. Exemption they have. We are thinking they have exemption, but the things which they need for studying, for working hard, they don't have. However, it is challenge for them. See, seats are empty, but we keep on saying that is easy, but the people who are facing it depend on them. But don't say that this is a discrimination. Okay. This is a discrimination, but it's in a positive way.
Now, just I would say that they are saying that it's not a kind of discrimination. So I would say, let's take example. Just I belong to general caste and you belong to the, I belong to SC caste and you belong to the general caste. We both are preparing for NEET exam and we both took the exam. When we got results, so I got 65% marks and then you got 99% marks. However, we went to take the exam admission. So I got admission, but you couldn't get admission. The sagacious, the prudent, the industrialized, the who is intelligent, who is deserved student, they are unable to get the job. They are unable to clear the exam. They are unable to get better marks. It's clear. Even what will you feel when it will happen with you?
Okay, listen. That yeah, you gave an instance. I agree with that. But if I tell you about the reservation, that there is no fault of the reservation.
Okay.
There is fault of the Indian education system. Most of the people, they keep on blaming on the reservation, that there is reservation, this much seats are reserved, undeserved people, they will get the job and they will get the admission. What about those people who are deserved? They don't get. There is no fault of the reservation. There is fault of your Indian education system, of your seats. There is fault of. And I don't say, the data says, and the doctor Vikas Divyakriti, who is IS, he also says, he also represents the data about the SC and ST people. There is no fault of the reservation.
Okay.
And still reservation should be here. Why India needs the more reservation? Suppose we live in Mustafabad and go out of the Mustafabad randomly, okay, and the meet from those people who don't have good post, like scrapper, cobblers, meet from them, ask them randomly from which caste do you belong. They won't say that we belong to upper caste, Brahman, and they won't say anything. They all belong to the lower caste. That in that situation you will get that reservation should be there, reservation should be given to them, still it should be continued. And there are many more students who were what they were saying. Let me tell you them. There was a girl who was saying that because of the reservation they are getting resources, they are getting this much things, and they get the job easily. Sisters, so many times still I have told you that it is a challenge for them. They are not just, they are getting a exemption on a competitive level, they are getting exemption, but they don't get the resources. Suppose I don't have mobile, so government will give me mobile. No, just it will give me exemption by which I'll do hard work, and as much as percentage is given to me, I will achieve that, then I will get the admission.
Let me speak. First, I would say that earlier the condition was worst. We know earlier the mentality of the people was different. If we see the mentality of people, so the mentality has changed. Even we don't think so that if you belong to the lower caste, if you belong to the SC, ST, OBC, so we should not touch to you. I agree that it's a way to remove the discrimination, but still discrimination is practiced in India, and you are saying that discrimination is increasing, they are getting the chances. They are not getting chances. Even what are the outcomes of the reservation? Just there are no outcomes of the reservation. SC, ST, OBC, they are not getting benefits. Even general people, they are getting the benefits of the reservation because they are getting made the fake certificates.
Okay,
just listen. Just I would say that reservation policy, how can I imagine to support that kind of policy which promotes the inequality, which promotes the discrimination, which promotes the social unrest? Even just because of the reservation, fights take place day in and out. All team members have mentioned clearly, but however you are saying that it should be continued. Even you are saying that discrimination has removed. So I want to say one thing, that 53% untouchability is practiced in Madhya Pradesh, 50% untouchability is practiced in Himachal Pradesh, 47% touchability is practiced in Rajasthan and Odisha. Now see the condition. What are the outcomes? There are no outcomes. Why did Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar bring the reservation? For removing the discrimination. Still discrimination is practiced. I think we all are saying that we should not continue it.
Listen now, let me clear to you. She is mentioning about the discrimination. But I don't think that the reservation is given for removing the discrimination. Reservation is not given for removing the discrimination. Remove this mentality from your mind. Okay. Reservation is given so that